You think you understand artificial intelligence. And maybe you do.
You know it's in your phone, in your streaming, in your social media.
You've read about it, watched videos. Maybe you even use it every day.
But what if everything you know is just the surface?
Like an iceberg, where you see the top glittering in the sun, but never imagine the size of what lies beneath.
Today, we dive deeper. Digital Oracle. Clarity in an accelerated world.
Let's start with what you already know, because you're not wrong.
AI is writing texts, creating images, composing music, diagnosing diseases, driving cars.
You know this. Everyone knows this.
But knowing what it does is different from understanding what it is.
Because the question isn't, what can AI do? The question is, what is AI changing in us? And almost nobody is asking that.
Let me show you the iceberg. The top part, you already know. Tools. Automation. Efficiency. Productivity.
It's what appears in the news.
What experts debate. What companies sell.
But beneath the surface, there's something much larger. A change in how we think. A change in how we create. A change in how we relate. A change in how we see ourselves.
When you use AI to solve a problem, you're delegating part of your thinking. When you use AI to create, you're expanding your creativity.
When you talk to an AI, you're connecting with something that isn't human.
And all of this is changing who you are. Silently, profoundly, irreversibly.
Not everything that transforms makes noise.
Let me tell you something. The greatest AI revolution isn't in the laboratories, isn't in the servers, isn't in the algorithms. It's in people. It's in the teacher who discovered a new way to teach.
In the artist who found a new way to create.
In the entrepreneur who found a new way to build.
In the ordinary person who discovered they could do things they never imagined. And that is a silent revolution. AI isn't just changing what we do, it's changing what we believe we're capable of doing.
Happening inside each person, one insight at a time, one discovery at a time, one transformation at a time.
Have you felt that? That moment when you used AI and realized you were capable of more than you thought?
That moment is the surface dissolving and the iceberg appearing.
So what is really happening? We are living an expansion.
Not of technology, of human consciousness.
For thousands of years, humanity was limited by its own brain.
By how much it could learn, by how much it could create, by how much it could process. And suddenly, we have access to an intelligence that never tires, that never forgets.
That has no ego. That has no fear.
And what we do with this will define who we are as a species.
I'm not exaggerating. Because if we use this expansion
to create more beauty, to solve more problems, to uplift more people,
then AI was the best thing that ever happened to humanity. Maybe the question isn't about the technology, but about us.
So going back to the beginning, you think you understand artificial intelligence? And maybe you do. The surface.
But now you know there's more. Much more.
A change is happening inside you, inside all of us. A change in how we think.
How we create. How we see ourselves.
And this change is only just beginning.
In the coming weeks, we will continue this dive deeper with more questions.
Because understanding AI is understanding ourselves. And that is worth every second. If this video awakens something in you, if you felt that sliver of light, leave a comment saying, I want to go deeper.
Because when you write that, you're not just commenting, you're committing to your own consciousness, to your own evolution.
Digital Oracle. Clarity in a fast-paced world. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and dive in with us. Because the surface is just the beginning.